This should not have happened. We never expected such a big crowd. No police, no one, including us, we never expected.
ಯಾವುದೇ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಇವಾಗ ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು, ಹೋಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು, ಅವ್ರು ಹೋದ್ರು ಬಂದ್ರು ನಾವು ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರು ಸಾಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ನನಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್ ಇವತ್ತು.
Today, what we have witnessed in Bengaluru outside the Chiddaswamy Stadium, it is not just a tragic incident where innocent and precious lives, including those of children, have been lost. It is a state-sponsored criminal negligence, a state-sponsored murder.
बहुत दुखद घटना और हम सब लोगों को इसका बहुत बड़ा जो है ये इस दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण घटना का बहुत बड़ा दुख है और हम जो भी मदद हो सकती है अपनी तरफ से सब लोग मदद करेंगे.
State government has to take complete responsibility on this tragedy. When entire nation was celebrating and entire Karnataka was celebrating RCB's victory, without any proper preparedness, state government's urgency to organize victory rally is the cause for this big tragedy. State government has to take complete responsibility on this tragedy. When entire nation was celebrating and entire Karnataka was celebrating RCB's victory, without any proper preparedness, state government's urgency to organize victory rally is the cause for this big tragedy. And state government never bothered about preparedness. Publicity was a major. State government was more interested in publicity rather than the society. No police was there inside. Ambulance facility was not there. And they themselves were rushed to the hospital, to the boring hospital now. So I demand Chief Minister to take up the responsibility and he should refer the matter for the judicial inquiry.
Blame, it is, this should not have happened. We never expected such a big crowd. No police, no one, including us, we never expected. That normally some 30-40,000. Someone wanted to declare it a holiday. We didn't want to do it also. We didn't do it. So the crowd also was being divided between Vidhan Saudha and this one. Stadium is 35,000 capacity. But more than 3 lakh people were there around the stadium. And on the streets of from the airport also. I think very massive crowd was there. It was unbelievable. This incident has happened at the stadium where the doors were being, they have broken the doors itself. It is unfortunate, gates have been broken. So we fully apologize for this. RCB also has come out with a statement on this. But still we wanted to know the fact and we want to give a clear message. We will do it.
सर मैं आज सेलिब्रेशन है ना, सेलिब्रेशन का आया पूरा इधर से, पूरा आदमी में इधर दुकान है, लोकल दुकान है, इधर आया तो दो साइड में सेलिब्रेशन होगा, दो साइड में अच्छे है, उधर लेना चाहिए, इधर लेना चाहिए। वो अंदर छोड़ता ओपन हो गया, ओपन होने के बाद क्या हो गया, पूरा करोड़ एक ही इधर आ गया। इतना दोनों जगह में कितना पूरा आदमी 1 करोड़ इधर आ गया।
कितने बजे की बात है?
3:35 4 o'clock अंदर गैप में।
गेट देरी से खोले थे।
हाँ गेट खोल दिया, इधर पुलिस अंदर तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता। वो क्या है, पुलिस अंदर है, पुलिस पूरा अंदर है ना, वो क्राउड कंट्रोल करने का नहीं होता ना। वो ये बैरिकेड प्रॉब्लम, मेन प्रॉब्लम ये बैरिकेड है। ये बैरिकेड क्या हो गया, वो बैरिकेड पुश कर दिया, वो बैरिकेड के नीचे है ना, वो आदमी का ऊपर रख दिया, वो बैरिकेड ऊपर आदमी पूरा ऊपर चल दिया ना, वो प्रॉब्लम हो गया।
ಅದೇ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಇವಾಗ ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು, ಹೋಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು, ಅವ್ರು ಹೋದ್ರು ಬಂದ್ರು ನಾವು ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರು ಸಾಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ನನಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್, ಇವತ್ತೇ ಬೇಕು, ಇವತ್ತೇ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಳೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಟಮ್ ಏನು ಬೇಡ ಸರ್, ಆಗೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗನ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು, ಅದೊಂದು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟು ಅವನ್ನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲಗಿಸಿ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ನಾವು 1 ಅವರ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವನು ಇರ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಗನ ಸಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, 22 ವರ್ಷ ಅವನಿಗೆ ತುತ್ತು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಸಾಕಿ, ಇವತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಧೋರಣೆಯಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀದಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಣ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ನನಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ದೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅವನನ್ನು ಇವಾಗನೇ ನನಗೊಂಚೂರು ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡಿ. ಆಗೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತೆ, ಬರೋದು ಹೋಗೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ.
Today, what we have witnessed in Bengaluru outside the Chiddaswamy Stadium, it is not just a tragic incident where innocent and precious lives, including those of children, have been lost. It is a state-sponsored criminal negligence, a state-sponsored murder. And Mr. Siddaramaiah, Mr. Shivkumar and the Home Minister are directly responsible. They must resign. On the one hand, people have died and you are continuing with the celebrations brazenly, shamelessly, adding salt to the wounds of the people who have lost their lives. This is your sensitivity. People were being carried in the hands because ambulances were not there. Basic arrangements were not there. Police Vyavastha was not there. Who is responsible for this criminal negligence? It is the Congress government. And therefore, it is necessary that these 3 people should immediately resign.
मेरा ये रखना है, सबसे पहले तो बहुत दुखद घटना है और हम सब लोगों को इसका बहुत बड़ा जो है, ये इस दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण घटना का बहुत बड़ा दुख है। और हम जो भी मदद हो सकती है अपनी तरफ से सब लोग मदद करेंगे। और किसी को अपेक्षा नहीं थी कि इस तरह की घटना होगी, क्योंकि लीग के मैचेस में इस तरह भीड़ उमड़ पड़ेगी लाखों लोगों की और इस तरह भगदड़ हो जाएगी और लोग मारे जाएंगे, हमने सोचा भी नहीं था। तो इसलिए बहुत बड़ी है। पहले कुछ अंदेशा पुलिस को था, जो मेरी बात हुई कर्नाटका गवर्नमेंट से, तो लोगों ने बताया कि उन्होंने इसीलिए जो है वो कैंसिल किया था, रोड मार्च जो था, रोड शो उन्होंने कैंसिल किया था और स्टेडियम के अंदर कार्यक्रम रखा था, जैसा विश्व कप में मुंबई में हुआ था। लेकिन इस तरह बाहर उसके भीड़ इतनी हो जाएगा इसकी किसी को परिकल्पना नहीं थी। अभी सारी डिटेल्स ले रहे हैं, फ्रेंचाइजी से भी बात चल रही है, हम लोग बीसीसीआई के लोग भी आपस में बात कर रहे हैं। चूंकि बीसीसीआई का फंक्शन नहीं था, इसलिए बीसीसीआई की स्थिति की जिम्मेदारी नहीं थी, लेकिन हम इसको पता लगाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं और उसके बाद जो विस्तार से डिटेल आएंगे उन डिटेल से आप लोगों को अवगत कराएंगे।
Again, I am telling on record, my police officers, I should compliment them. Morning also, they advised, they wanted to have a procession, they wanted to bring a vehicle from the airport itself. Our officers guided us, informed us not to bring a open bus. That is why I rushed to the airport and not allowed to see that nothing goes wrong there, because I didn't want them to climb in the bus. Here also in Vidhan Soudha also, they were very cautious. They closed the doors of the Kabul Park because the moment we were not able to attend the stadium inside, they all are coming here. They closed the door. I myself have witnessed it. So immediately some protection has been taken place. We are very sorry. ಈ ತರ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದಾಗಿತ್ತು.
What I witnessed means, see, a lot of people they came because to see Virat Kohli and moreover the RCB team, and moreover the girls. What see, a lot of boys have been standing outside, but girls are they ran away to see this thing, and moreover the gate has been closed up. These things, lot of girls they tried to push the gate and they went inside. That is the main problem in this incident. I saw that 3 girls have been fall down there only. Nobody had been rescued there because girls are very afraid to get out because they are eager to see Virat Kohli. That is the main incident has been happened here, and even that the government should be taken care. Even police people also helpless because if they care means that a lot of people when they'll came. That's the thing. A lot of girls has been accused in this incident. Moreover, police also helpless. Even security also helpless. Even see in this ground, private securities has put. What they'll do?